like that. That's acting like a small redfish. Nope. Oh yeah, I think it is a small redfish. And he's foul hooked. Huh, it's a snapper. That's a keeper snapper. Easy there. Look at that, foul hooked keeper snapper. We're gonna have to keep him too because he's foul hooked. Hooked him right in the gut. Sorry, buddy. You're gonna have to be dinner. I'm not that sorry because you're delicious. Just make sure you are a keeper. These only got to be 10 inches. Oh yeah, he's a good 12 inches. Alright, snapper tacos. Got this little guy on a Z-Man. This is one of the most delicious fish in the ocean, mangrove snapper. 12 inches, just the right size to keep for tacos. Okay, here's what we got that snapper on. It was actually a Slayer paddle tail on a Z-Man trout eyes jig head. So a combination of Slayer and Z-Man. Oh, that was awesome. Top water, I love it. I didn't act on like a trout. Oh man, it's a stinking snook on the flats. Top water snook on the flats. Yes. Get it in their net. Oh, there we go. Woo! That was awesome. Throwing soft plastics all day. I just noticed that there wasn't floating grass in the water anymore. So I said, hey, why not throw some top water? And what do you know? It's a respectable snook too. Looks to be just under the slot, but about a 20-inch snook. Yeah, well under the slot. Let's get him back in the water. Suck my thumb, buddy. There you go. That was awesome. I thought I had me a big trout, and then I said, wait a minute, this thing is pulling a little drag. Okay, that was too fun. I gotta do that one more time. First cast with the top water.